Have you ever thought of having a garden that is not only beautiful, but also provides you with fresh produce? Welcome to the world of edible landscaping, where gardening meets aesthetics and functionality. Here, you'll enjoy fresh produce, sustainability, and aesthetic appeal. Imagine plucking fresh tomatoes from a plant that also enhances the beauty of your garden. That's the power of edible landscaping. Designing an edible landscape may seem challenging, but it's actually quite straightforward. The first step is planning your garden layout. This involves considering the amount of sunlight each area gets, the soil conditions, and the space available. You want to ensure that your plants will thrive in their new homes. The second step is choosing the right plants. You want to find those that are both edible and ornamental. Consider plants like blueberry bushes, which provide delicious fruits and also add a pop of color to your landscape. The third step is arranging your plants. Think about their size, color, and growth patterns to create an aesthetically pleasing garden that's also easy to maintain. The fourth and final step is taking care of your plants. This includes proper watering, fertilizing, and pruning. Remember, a healthy garden is a productive garden. With these steps, you can turn any garden into a productive and beautiful edible landscape. So, what have we learned about edible landscaping? It's a harmonious blend of beauty and bounty. By incorporating edible plants into your garden, you can enjoy aesthetic appeal and fresh produce. Remember, planning, selecting suitable plants, and care are key. Edible landscaping is more than just a gardening trend. It's a sustainable and fun way to beautify your space while also providing fresh produce. Start designing your edible landscape today and enjoy the fruits of your labor.